Hey y'all, it's your girl Nia. It's the Dentley family back with another video. So this is me. I just decided to make some homemade natural cough syrup. Little man's been having a terrible cough, so I decided to remix this recipe a little bit. I did add a few extra things. It turned out so well. Definitely stay tuned for part 2. Again, this is all natural. It is no way intended to be medicine. All these items are natural food items. It's supposed to be good for anti-inflammatory, antibacteria. As I was boiling it, it smelled so good. Literally filled the whole house with the nice aroma. So definitely stay tuned for more.